Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back today. Well, we're not in downtown Kato Paphos, but we are in Kato Paphos, and we're just at the very bottom or the very start of the downtown Paphos Bar Street. Starting off at the Alconi Taverna. Over there you've got the Democritus Turnover, and over there you've got the Robin Hood, and over there you've got Ochingwasivia LaBouffe, who wants to give you a very, very good hello.
Hello everybody! How nice to see you again and again.
And again, so stick with us. She's still looking for that perfect man, that perfect husband. Now, as I've said, that is the Robin Hood pub. Just over there that's closed tonight is the Tropical Nights Bar. That's a shishka bar, drinks bar and light snacks bar. And then over here you've got the Red Lion Club, and then next door to that you've got the VIP 7 Club. Now again, they're getting ready to ramp up for tonight. The music at the moment is quite tranquil, and the people are getting ready to invite you. That's Mr. Louis. You all right, Louis? Having a good night? You will do. As it ramps up, as it goes into the early hours, these bars really start to get busy. Just like in the UK, just like in other countries, they go out and eat, and then they come out and party. Now it gets pretty dark, so stick with us and put your magnifying glasses on, because hey, Stanley Briars, there it is, your favourite bar in the whole world, the Flyers Bar. Massive bar in downtown Kato Paphos, very popular indeed, and it gets busier and busier as the night goes on, that is for sure. Next door to that is a Gumbaru of ours, who's got a nice takeaway, and they do great pizza, pork kebabs, all that kind of stuff. And over there the Boogie Woogie Woogies, which opens in a little bit, opens at 9 o'clock, and it goes all the way through till 5 o'clock in the morning. Sylvia?
I would like to say it's very pretty here, but if you like to dance and sing songs, come here.
Yes. Now, there's a lot of crisscrossing of different music going on. You've got the Latif bar over there. On the corner here, you've got a new extension to the Notorious bar, which is that one flashing over there. And then there you've got the Bubbles bar, the one that's racking out the music, that's for sure. So, as the night goes on, well, they get busier and busier and busier. You come around here at about 1 o'clock in the morning, and it's at its peak, that is for sure. And it parties through till about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Bit too much for us because we're too old. That's the Notorious. Now, this part of Bar Street, unfortunately, has seen better days, a little bit run down, but a lot of it has now been bought, a lot of it has been cleaned up, and a lot of it will be rejuvenated and reopened over the next year to 2 years. This building over here on the right and the one just after it have been acquired. They've been cleaned up a little bit, and they're going to add another floor to it to make some penthouses with spectacular sea views, and they're going to turn the ground floors into a restaurant cum bar, and it's going to be a great place to chill out. That's for sure. Then one place that is open just over there is the Vibes Club. So that's an underground nightclub where you can go and party the night away till about 6 a.m. in the morning if you wish. Sylvia?
Until 6 a.m.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Means in the morning?
Yes.
Ah.
Yes, well past our bedtime, that's for sure.
Sure.
We have to sleep because we're old.
What is going on there?
Well, I don't know. I dread to think what's going on there. But drinking, dancing, and all those sorts of things. Yes, and maybe other things, but I don't know. One day we'll have to go in, but we're a bit too old, I think. I don't think they'll let us in. So stick with us, and if you want to learn how to kick 7 bells out of someone, well, there is a place here that's open 4 nights a week teaching you Kung Fu. That's that place there. There we are. And next door to that is the Theo's Old Takeaway, which will be reopened in the near future because someone has acquired the lease. Cecilia?
Yeah, I know that place. We've been there when it was just closed.
Yeah.
The place where you tried hamburger?
Hamburger, yeah, it was a hamburger.
Yeah.
Hamburger. How'd you say it? Hamburger. Hamburger. That's a bit like hamburger. Anyway, stick with us.
Like
this place has been reopened. This is called Grill Street 12. And again, a little bit later in the night, that will get busy, that is for sure. And then the place next door has been acquired. There's been a bit of refurbishment going on, and that is going to open up next year as well. Now, coming up over here is the rear of the Nest Cafe and the kiosk next door to that. And again, coming up now on the left-hand side is the Pentaris restaurant. And then just over there, sorry, yes, exactly. Sorry, I've confused my English. Hire car company, and then just over there is the rear entrance to the Amini Hotel. Is that how you say it? Anami Hotel.
It's the old and very old site of it.
Yes, that's the old entrance,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes. And then they built a brand new block on the front, and that now is the main entrance. I mean, you can go in through that entrance as it says, but it does tell you that that is not actually the main entrance, and it's not actually a manned reception. Now, we're almost at the top of Bar Street, which means that coming up on the left, the last bar is the Keg and the Barrel. Very, very popular in bar indeed, sports bar, food bar and drinking bar. Very popular with tourists, locals and gumbarus alike, and it's called the Keg and Barrel. And then across the road to that is the Memories cocktail bar. Again, very, very popular. Lots of people have asked about that place, and they do like their cats over there and they like to feed them. And then right next door to that is a tattoo shop. And then of course next door to that is our favourite fish and chip shop in the whole of downtown Paphos. Possibly the best fish and chips in the world. Lucivia?
Yeah, I agree with you. Yes, it's the best. And the place is very suitable for all the hotels to go and try, by the way. There's many hotels around Anami, the new side of it. Please show.
Yeah, so the new side of the Anami Hotel is there. That's that big building there. That's their massive extension, and they've built a restaurant downstairs called the Nema. So that caters for your evening meals. But if you want that special fish and chips in your life, well, there aren't that many places in Paphos to come, but of the places to come, I promise you that T&J's Fish and Chip Shop, which is that one over there, the greatest dine-in or takeaway fish. She's waving in the background, there's another man waving over there. The fish and chip shops over there are absolutely spectacular. Receive you on the booth.
Well, I would like to thank you very much for watching, for the time, support and all you do for us. Don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. My God, the poor cat was nearly hit by the car. Have you seen it? No,
He hasn't even noticed.
haven't.
The cat has not even noticed. He was too busy thinking about his fish and his chips.
Yes. And yes, we've tried this fish and chips. By the way, it was excellent. It was very, very... I'm not a fish and chips lover, but what I tried, it was amazing, by the way.
Let's pop in and see what they're up to, because they're not going to throw us out, because we do patronise the place quite often. So let's walk in. We won't film any of the customers, but we'll go in. We're going into TJ's. There she is, number one over there, and there's the two gumbarus in the very back. There he is. Have you had a good night? Yeah, because we're going to come and do a special video one of these nights, just for you, just for you. There we are. You had a good night? Yes. We've had a busy night as usual, because it's the greatest fish and chip shop in the world, not just Paphos. Hi, you all right? Is it good? Ah, we know him. How are you doing?
I'm good.
You're back. I didn't know you were back. This must be a good lady.
Hello. Yeah, it's Miss Pat.
You didn't tell me you were coming back.
I did tell you.
Did you? Oh, we'll come and see you afterwards. There's music playing in the background.
Okay.
Are you enjoying your fish and chips? Yes, he's enjoying his fish and chips. That's Mr. Ryan. So, I forgot he was coming back. I sorted his car out for him. He told me he was coming back with his wife. Remember? He accosted us in Nigel Alamo. Hasn't that month gone so fast?
dear.
Unbelievable. We're getting old. There's no ifs or buts. We are getting old because the months are just flying by. It's absolutely amazing. Anyway, stick with us. We'll have a little walk down here and we'll finish at this spectacular gift shop, because there's a shop down here where the lady does hand knitting. She makes dresses in different knits, obviously, I think that's the right word, and puts them onto these dolls, and they are great things indeed. So I want to show you them again, because we've shown them before and we're going to come and feature them again. Have a look at those. What a great gift indeed. Receive.
Yeah, well, the time's going, not only months, the years going, our life is going. And I wish you to spend all your life as better as you would like it to be. Please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses. We're loving you to bits, and many thanks for watching.
What's left for me to say is thanks for watching. Of course, if you like what you see, please hit our like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness.
Look at me.
Thanks for watching.